Here's a simple little life hack for you. You know these annoying, impossible to remove caps? They're supposed to keep kids and people who have cognitive difficulties from opening these and drinking the whole thing, whether it's mouthwash or dishwasher detergent. But they're really hard to open and they're a pain. And if you don't have either of those sort of situations in your household, trying to get one of these suckers open every time you need it is just such a hassle. You want an easy trick? See these things right here? These little tabs that stick up. That's what makes this thing work. If you take them off, that problem goes away. So simple. Pair of kitchen shears. These things are terrific for all kinds of things, including getting rid of these annoying tabs. Just cut them down flush. Look at that. All gone. So simple. Screw this thing back on. Take it right off like that. Problem solved. Look at that. Isn't that nice? An easy little life hack. You're welcome.